What it do, flight crew? FTC. Flight team stand up! FTC the strongest is finally on us. We got the man Gideon Jadon. First of all, congrats to the man hitting 1 milli. Welcome to the club. Cooking meat paws inside of a vegan restaurant. Let's check it out. Now, you guys know vegans do not like meat. They only like plants and vegetables and grass. Nothing wrong being a vegan. But when it comes to the mixing with meat and stuff, alright, don't clip any of this, please.
I didn't say nothing racist
yet.
I mean, I was getting there, but Brody was like, chill out. And then he read my shirt, and he was like, really chill out. Speaking of shirt, new merch coming soon. August 23rd, I'll be sure to do your chore, do whatever you need to do to save up that bread. August 23rd, we dropping some heat, but we're gonna talk about that later on in the video. So, boys, we're in Austin, Texas right now. We literally drove 3 hours to come out here to get this clip. The plan for today's video is to cook meat in vegan restaurants. People over here in Austin, bro, I don't know why, they're Charmin Ultra Soft over here, bro. Like, literally, the littlest things just trigger them off. So I feel like it'll be way
Charmin
to do it
Ultra
here in
Soft.
Austin. So since we drove 3 hours just to get this clip for y'all, man, can you guys please just drop a like real quick? Like, let's get it. Can you guys give the boys a like goal for the next video?
1,000 likes.
Whoa, way more than that.
Really?
That's light work for them.
Light work.
That's Savage Sean numbers.
Right.
50,000? 50,000
She
likes.
said it right.
Let's do it.
George Foreman. Bruh.
Oh, okay. Okay. I like this place. It's my first time trying the vegan stuff.
Yeah, choose counterculture for your first vegan experience.
Exactly. I want you guys to take my virginity.
That's so nice. Okay.
I've been a meat guzzler my whole life, so instead of gobbling meat, I want to gobble, you know, some eggplants and stuff.
Yeah, when you put it that way, I know exactly what you mean. Were you able to pull out the menu?
No, okay, just give me the best.
That's done.
Your favorite.
Okay.
I hope he doesn't take it personal. It's just a prank, bro. It's just a prank. Ah! I'm just face rocking it.
What the heck?
Right now. Oh, awesome, bro. Thank you, man. Thank you. Whew.
Enjoy.
Looks good. I want to give the taco like really good.
It's really good. Can't see.
It's good, but I feel like it's missing something.
It's literally a plant sandwich.
Can you plug that in for me? Appreciate you.
Bro, you just demanded something, bro. This dude is savage.
Oh, I'm just gonna like cook up my stuff real quick.
That's not gonna work. I can't let you do that.
Why not?
It's not something we're gonna allow today.
But it's like beyond meat though.
He unplugged it.
It's been fun, guys.
Did you unplug me?
I did.
Here, I'll just like start a fire with my hands. I haven't paid.
This
yet.
man's crazy.
I see you should go.
But bro, I have to pay, bro.
No, I see you should
The
go.
food was good.
Oh,
but
you
I
just
feel
got a
if I
free
could add this, it'd
meal.
be, like that much better.
Bro, Jadon is the smartest dude of 2021, bro. Like, he pissed him off so bad, they don't even want him to pay.
You want it well done or like over easy? Yeah. We don't got time for well done today.
Can I give you one more chance to leave before I start calling police?
Bro, you
Alright, bro, it's not that serious, bro.
You
You act like he's standing on a table destroying shit.
can you like go get us the check though? Like, cause I have to pay you, bro. Like it's not an option. I have to pay you.
It's gonna be 2056.
Bro, why would you admit to want
So
to...
anyway, actually, can you like just kick us out instead? I didn't expect it to be that expensive. I'm not gonna help you like that.
Okay, have a great day.
What about the tip?
Bruh!
You don't want tip?
I would not like a tip from you today. No, thank you.
Bro, I want to give you the tip.
I'm gonna grab your camera.
Bro, why is this dude and this waiter so nasty, bro? Like, bro, you cannot take life too seriously, bro. They don't even pay you that much to do all of that extra stuff, bro. Like, come on, bro. It's not that damn serious. You gotta act like you're miserable? Like,
Whoa. Like, you went from T-Pain to P. Diddy, like, real quick.
You went from Lil Nas X to Baby, like, immediately.
No, I didn't personally abuse it. Like, I just got the leftovers. Bro, can you not say I'm the baby? Can you say I'm Lil Nas X, bro? Like, that kind of hurt my feelings.
The baby.
Bro, don't say that, bro. Don't say that. Fuck. Damn it, I'm canceled.
Bro, that dude better own. That dude better have owned a restaurant, bro. He acting like he owns that place, bro.
You guys already know what happened last time we tried meeting the baby. I just wanted to see the baby, that's all.
There's no baby up here.
No, the baby. So hopefully this is a better experience. Can you just like surprise me with something?
Is there anything you don't like?
I mean, not really. This is my first time trying the vegan spot.
Okay.
My ex, she really loved my meat, and then she cheated on me, so I'm going vegan.
Yo.
No meat for you.
How does he say this with a straight face?
Oh, that's a lot.
Thank you.
Bro, this is disturbing.
Oh, not bad.
Wait, fries aren't meat? You can eat fries if you're vegan?
The succulentness, aftermath on my face. It's quite exquisite. But I think it's missing one thing.
Your first vegan food experience.
I'm not gonna lie, this shit slaps.
It slaps?
I'm gonna just add a little something. We'll watch it.
This dude pulls out a grill. She probably thought it was like a laptop at first. Oh man, he's about to whip it up. He got the sauce. He got the sauce. No, he did it.
Hey Siri, how long?
Hey, if you ain't finishing that burger, I'll take it, bro.
Hamburger for
No
$2.
cap.
I don't think my George Foreman's getting like all sides. Can I just like throw it on the grill real quick? No, it's beyond me. I mean, yeah, can I just throw it on the grill then? Is that cool? Like, it's almost done though.
I know, but you can't do it in here. You need to unplug it right now.
I would feel you if I had it raw, but like, I like my meat
Okay,
well
I
done.
can feel you if this was your house. You could do that, but you cannot do that here.
I got brewed off.
Manager, if you would like to speak to her.
Hey, how you doing? I'm just trying something new. Like, I don't think anybody's ever tried vegan with meat before. So I'm just like trying to be that dude. Like,
This isn't me blurring it out, by the way,
okay, so
everybody.
you're
This
not
is
trying to like do a collab? My name's DeMarcus.
See, this person's much
That's the best
nicer
burgers
there.
in the city on everything, I swear. Like, do you know who 42 Doug is? Him and Lil Nas X love my meat.
You can put me in it if you let me explaining how fucked up this is.
Like, I don't know how much of this goes towards you, but like, oh, it all goes to you? Oh, here, you have
There you
fun
go.
with it.
Someone that doesn't own the place. How did, like, you...
No problem.
Bro, like, how... Did you see the person that owned or was a manager of the restaurant? That energy? Like, she wasn't even all that mad. She was just like, just call us when you're here. We can collab or something like that. But, like, notice how the waiter that don't even have the power or authority to act like that. Like, I don't know, bro. It's weird, bro. Like, you're doing too much with your job's paying.
They know that
bro.
this video is an absolute
It's not that
banger.
serious.
So if you haven't already, hit that like button.
You guys are coming to film something.
Bro, I promise you, bro, when I was working at Steak and Shake, bro, and Chick-fil-A, bro, like, I never cared about anything, bro. Like, I promise you, bro, like, at all. Like,
Like, had a very serious medical emergency.
Oh,
I was always people's favorites, like,
You can see the influence.
waiter,
they're here
or
for me, like,
cashier,
making
drive-through, whatever you want to
I
call
mean,
it.
if y'all could not film, that'd be great.
Yeah, I mean, I'm just like documenting my first time trying vegan food.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's all.
Okay. Yeah, I don't think we're letting people film here today, unfortunately. I just can't have y'all filming in the restaurant.
Are you sure they're not just here for me? Like, cause this is a banger.
Alright, I'm gonna have to throw them there. I'm sorry. You guys gotta go.
I haven't even walked inside yet.
The beer, you see it?
I
The
hope you
beer
guys
plant?
enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share. Guys, there's a big elephant in the room. We hit 1 million subscribers, man. Give y'all some.
Hey, man.
Bro.
Clap it up.
You guys are probably asking
Hey,
yourselves.
man, let's just come over to this, man. On the 4-minute